I have a data table like this. 5 students and 4 subjects have on this. Each students have 4 subjects. Each paper give 100 marks, so the total marks is 400. Now let's find the percentage on each student. But I cannot find the percentage without obtained marks. First of all, let's find the obtained marks on these 4 subjects. Click on the first cell and type this formula. Type sum and after double click the sum formula you can get it. After open bracket, now select your cells you want to add. Click and hold the first subject cells, drag it into the last cell. I want to get these 4 subject obtained marks, so I select them. After close the bracket and press enter key on your keyboard. This is the obtained marks for A student. Now we want to calculate other students' obtained marks. Select your first calculation and drag down it using this icon. This is total obtained marks. Now we can calculate percentages. Select your first cell and type this formula. Type equal and select obtained marks divided into total marks multiplied by 100. In first type equal mark. Now select the obtained marks and type slash key to divide. Now select your total marks. Type star key to multiply into 100. Now press enter key on your keyboard. This is the percentage on A student. Select your first calculation and drag this icon to down to get all students' percentage. In this method, you can calculate percentages using Excel. I hope this tutorial helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.